Welcome to the SEO.co Search Engine Optimization Podcast. Digital marketing essentials and next-level tactics. From off-site and on-site optimization to persuasive selling and everything in between. You'll learn actionable tips on what it takes to outright and outrank your competition.
Currently, there are a lot of reasons to sell products online. By 2040, experts predict that 95% of all purchases will be made online. If you already run an online store, chances are that you're using either of the two most popular e-commerce platforms, Woocommerce or Shopify. Both platforms have their respective advantages and differences. However, if you want to migrate from Woocommerce to Shopify, the solution isn't as complicated as you may think. In fact, the process is entirely straightforward. Do you want help in making the switch from Woocommerce to Shopify? This guide will tell you all you need to know. Everyone will have their own reasons for making the switch from Woocommerce to another e-commerce platform. Your store may be growing and you want a more dynamic, scalable solution. You may just be unsatisfied with Woocommerce in general and want to move on. The worst mistake you can make is deciding to move on from Woocommerce when Shopify isn't a better option for you. In this case, you should reconsider your decision. Below are some reasons to stay and leave Woocommerce to help you make the best decision. Reasons to stay with Woocommerce. Completely free and open source. Like WordPress, Woocommerce is an open source platform. This means you can customize the design of Woocommerce nearly any way you like. It's also free. All you have to do is install the plugin to get started. Amazing flexibility. Woocommerce fits like a glove for a bunch of different online stores, regardless of their products or market niche. It can be configured to sell downloadable, virtual, and physical goods, as well as integrate to affiliate and other business models. Incredible security. Woocommerce is one of the most secure e-commerce platforms on the internet. It supports numerous payment gateways and e-wallets. Large, vibrant community. WordPress is one of the largest online communities on the internet. If you have any questions or desire already built modifications to your platform, look no further than the WordPress community. Reasons to leave Woocommerce. Excessive plugin use. Woocommerce delivers exceptional performance. However, the more plugins and extensions you install, the more you can hamper your online store's speed and performance. Premium extensions. Setting up a basic Woocommerce store is completely free. However, if you want to improve your store, such as accepting numerous payment gateways, you'll need to pay for extensions. These costs can add up over time. Desire to scale. Woocommerce is WordPress' foray into the e-commerce industry. Other solutions, like Shopify, are more geared toward medium to larger online stores. If you want to scale your business, you may want to look elsewhere. Reasons to migrate to or avoid Shopify. Shopify is one of the most well-known e-commerce platforms in the world. But that doesn't mean it's for everyone. If you're new to Shopify, here are pros and cons you should consider before signing up and beginning the migration process. Reasons to migrate to Shopify. Simplicity. As you may already know, Shopify makes it easy to start and run an online store. Its drag-and-drop interface is perfect for beginners running an online store and dynamic enough for development experts. Available support. The Shopify customer support team is very prompt in answering tickets. They are available 24/7 to assist you with anything you need. Wide variety of themes. Shopify has countless themes for you to choose from so you can design the perfect online store. App Store. One of Shopify's greatest features is its App Store with more than 1,200 plugins. This means you can customize your store the way you want it. Ease of marketing. An online store is nothing without digital marketing. Shopify allows users to invest in effective search engine optimization (SEO) campaigns to bring more attention to their stores. Ability for growth. Shopify is ideal for both small and large online stores. Particularly, it's known for its ability to help small online stores grow. Fully hosted platform. Shopify will handle all of your hosting. This means you won't have to pay an additional cost for server fees. Reasons to avoid Shopify. Price. Unlike WooCommerce, Shopify is not a free platform to use. You'll have to pay a monthly subscription fee that will rise as your store grows. Customized limitations. Shopify is not an open-source platform. It's not as customizable as WooCommerce, which could be a cause of concern for larger online stores with a team of professional developers. How to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify. If you've made it this far into the guide, that means that you've decided to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify. That's not to fear. Below, we'll highlight all of the steps you'll need to take to complete the migration process without any problems. Step 1. Export your store data from WooCommerce. Exporting all of your store data is the first step you'll need to take before moving to Shopify. Think of the process like moving your belongings from one house to another. Once you export all of your store data, you'll be prompted to download a XML file to your computer. This file contains all of your store's crucial data. This file is compatible and can be embedded into Shopify's database. Here are the steps you'll need to follow when exporting your WooCommerce store data. Go to your WooCommerce admin dashboard. Click Tools, then Export. Select All Content. Click Download Export File. Step 2. Import your store data to Shopify. Once you're finished exporting your store data from WooCommerce, you can go ahead and import the XML file to Shopify. It's important to note that Shopify is only compatible with the All Content XML file. If you don't have this file, you can use a product import plugin or import separate store files manually in CSV format. In any case, here are the steps for importing your WooCommerce store data to Shopify. Visit the Shopify admin dashboard. Click Apps to Store Importer. Visit the Import Your Data into Shopify page. Next, choose WooCommerce from the drop-down menu. Next, upload your files. You can choose any number of files you want. If you choose to upload products, you'll need to add the exported files for both the bulk edit and default templates in order for the data to import properly. Complete the import process. If the platforms mentioned on Shopify's importer prompt doesn't list your store's platform, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click the Select a different platform. You should be able to choose WooCommerce from the drop-down menu.
Thank you for joining us on the SEO.co podcast. We appreciate your time. Be sure to rate, review, and subscribe to the show, and visit SEO.co for more resources based on today's topic, as well as access to more podcast episodes to help you improve your site's long-term SEO success.